Hi guys, this is me Hanaim and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can fill colors into your black and white image in Canva. So let's get started. First I will go to element and I will type here black and white image. I will choose from Canva. You can search any image from Canva and upload any of your image. So I will choose this one. Now go to apps and type here Colorize, and you can also find it by just dragging the slider. So this is the app Colorize. Click on this app and it will open. You can upload an image or select a black and white image into your design to colorify it. So just select the image and click on Colorize and replace. It will convert your black and white image into colors. So how beautifully it converted our black and white image into full of colors. So we can also see another example here. I will choose this image. So just go to the Colorize app and click on it. It will convert your image into full of colors. So this is how you can convert any black and white image into colorful image. I hope you like this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So much for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.